of that. That is my role as a literature teacher. And I love this story. Unfortunately, because of new curriculum, medyo nabawasan ang Philippine literature sa curriculum natin. Kaya kailangan natin i-revive in other forms. Manila will remember this. And on August 3, my university faculty and all will be watching. And I told Mira, we will have this shown to the university when it is already made public. Kasi yun yung isang lesson namin doon sa aming curriculum. The CHED has mandated that indigenous people's education should already be part of higher education institutions. That was in 2019. Medyo na-delay because of the pandemic. But this time, you will see a proliferation of revivals. And it's my first time to see it on film. Why are we recognized in our indigenous education studies? Because not many know us. And we have to be the ones to write our stories. And I'm happy the crew is, as you said, 90% Cordillerans. And even the writing of the stories should be from us. Kaya maganda ito. Magandang simula. And it will gain more. It will gain more followings. It will also address the issues on discrimination and a lot of those kinds of ways that literally puts aside the indigenous peoples here in the Philippines. So rest assured, I cannot stay long. Actually, I'm based in Manila, but I was pitching for Mira, and I'm happy I have seen all of you, young people. Please keep up the good work.
Thank you very much, Dr. Marilyn Ngales. I almost forgot na magkasama pala tayo sa first IGO, first IIC.
Yes.
Okay. So Julius, may response po si Julius.
Thank you,